Go to Gate.io, click on Sign Up. Type in your email, create a password. Use our referral code. Click link in description. Type in your fund password, click Create Account. Complete the sliding puzzle. Click on the link in your email to activate your account. Log in using the info you created earlier. Complete another sliding puzzle. Click Send Email Code. Write down the code from your email. Now it's time to set up your 2FA settings. User icon/security settings. On tab SMS Setup, click on Immediate Binding. Fill in the info required on screen. Once you're done, click on Setup SMS. On tab Google Authenticator, click on Immediate Binding. Choose Click Here. You don't have to download the app on your phone. I will show you a quick way to use Authenticator on PC, Google Authenticator, then install the extension to Chrome. Back in Gate, click on Authenticator extension. Click on pen icon, then click on plus icon. Choose Scan QR code. Use mouse to choose QR code. Now click on Authenticator, then write down the number. Enter your fund password, your SMS code. Next, we're going to complete the KYC process. Click Verify Now. Fill in your basic information. Write down your Gate.io ID on a paper. Ask your friend to take a picture of you holding the document and the paper. Once you upload the files, click Confirm and Submit. Wait for the system to review your form. Your KYC 1 is completed. Click on Submit Gesture Photo. In this step, you want to take photos of yourself gesturing the numbers on screen. Once you upload everything, click on Confirm and Submit. Now just wait for your pending approval to be accepted. KYC 2 completed. You're ready to go.